The Seagate Ironwolf Pro is the current largest single hard disk with a capacity of 16 terabytes. Yeah, which is just enough to install Forza Motorsport 7. Compare that to the 1994 bestseller, the 500 megabyte Western Digital Blue. Yeah, we certainly have become data hungry. Coming up on this episode of the show, SAP partners with Microsoft to put the cloud in the cloud, Azure Backup moves up another dress size, and a variable retention period for application insights pleases the hoarders. This is Azure This Week, the cloud news show brought to you by the Microsoft Privacy Statement, a neglected piece of very well-written literature. SAP is a global leader in providing very large ERP systems to corporations. SAP is German, but my producer said I wasn't allowed to host the show in German. Not even my best German accent. So I'll have to do with telling you about the S-4HANA Shana and the SAP Cloud Platform. And Azure, of course. Because this week, SAP and Azure announced an extensive partnership to bring the SAP customers to the cloud much faster. The press release, which you can read at the link below, is full of marketing speak, but it boils down to Azure selling SAP services on the platform. And this will help existing on-premises installations of SAP products to migrate to the cloud a lot easier. SAP on Azure, a match made in heaven. Well, the cloud. We all love to store the data. All the data, more data. Yeah, you know what I mean. Everything gets stored these days, and companies accumulate data like it was buried treasure. Good news! Azure Backup now supports single disk sizes up to 32 terabytes and 256 terabytes for combined disks on a single VM. And that is roughly 85 million high-quality cat photo size. You're welcome. Azure This Week, the show that brings you the important facts. No user action is required to get the backups running for these large-sized disks if the virtual machine is already configured with Azure Backup. The new support levels for Azure Backup are now in general availability. Application Insights is a great service for capturing errors and debugging information for your cloud-hosted services. However, the data quickly adds up to a lot. So the new variable retention for storing Application Insights data is very welcome. Choose from periods of 30, 60, 90, 120, 180, 270, 365, 550, or 730 days to suit your data hoarding needs. When billing for longer retention begins in January 2020, data kept longer than 90 days will be billed at the same rate as log analytics data retention. We've run out of space on our communal cloud intelligence, so this is the end. As we say on the A Cloud Guru team, when the number of new employees in the office exceeds N+1, seek and you shall cloud. So see you next week, and keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.